You want to build muscle? Become a force to be reckoned with. But what's the secret? The answer lies in the intensity. Intensity isn't just lifting weights, it's about pushing boundaries, embracing discomfort. It's a struggle for that last rep, a feeling like never before. Most claim to work out hard, but few truly understand the meaning of intensity. It's about pushing through the pain, going where you have never been before. That's the hardcore way.
I'm strong, you get stronger! Come on!
Look at the greats, the top bodybuilders. What sets them apart? High intensity. They turn heavyweights into masterpieces of muscle, sculpting bodies that defy limits. Strength isn't about beating the weights, it's about conquering yourself.
Come on! One more rep, go.
Can you push when it seems impossible? You must get stronger to get bigger. It's not just about lifting, it's about focused, targeted training. Every set, every rep, like your life depends on it. Life's challenges are not roadblocks, they are opportunities. Opportunities to prove your strength, to transform suffering into power. It's easy to be beaten down, to surrender to the hardships. But true champions, they rise above it all. They use the suffering as a force, a driving energy that pushes them forward, just like in bodybuilding, where every rep, every drop of sweat is a battle. Life is your gym, and your challenges is a set. You must endure to grow stronger.